ValmetSchlieren.
Yes, and today is the 30th of September 2021, the last day of September this year. And we have Lielahdenkatu 37 tickets here in Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, Finland. It was built in 1977 as well, last year. Turning 45 years old in the next year, 2022. So we expect in 2023. The number is 5051. Capacity is 4% 3.5 grams. And this interchangeably has 3 staircases.
Yeah.
We will also go to staircases B and C. But we also need to get to the 5 other ones on building 39. We have been to the staircase dinner.
Yeah.
From the same year as this was, 1977.
Yeah. Spektakelweise, dat met het boot is dan nou scripted.
Yeah, back to the ground floor. Alright, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the staircases B and C.
That's